Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes back with another one, guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that, watch out for spam, WhatsApp in the comments down below. Feel free to join VIP to be alerted whenever we get in and out of plays. Also, get your free stock from down below as well. So let's go ahead and jump right into it, guys. Get right on it. As we know, we're going to share our opinion on what's about to happen with AMC at their earnings. We know AMC report earnings today at 5 p.m., guys, after the market is closed. I told you guys what was about to happen prior to earnings. I made a video 3 days ago, told you guys to load up. AMC was probably about to run up, or to more than likely run up prior to earnings. And once earnings was posted, it was going to pull back, drop, and then reroute and start to come back up, guys. That's exactly how I see it played out. And it ran up this morning, ran up yesterday prior to earnings, a couple hours before, a few hours before. Now we see it already dropping. So that leads me to think we could possibly, it doesn't look like it the way, it dropped and the way it's looking ugly right now. But it looked like from the details and whatnot, it's lining up to possibly pop now, being for the fact we got the drop prior to it happening. If it would have been still up high, once the earnings was posted, regardless of what they came out with, I believe it would have pulled back and just, scare some people out before running back even harder, guys. So I am expecting, analysts expecting for AMC to report good earnings, guys. Being for the fact that Avatar did over $1 billion, went down in history as well with other movies that did amazing throughout the years. So that's definitely going to be a driving factor, a great factor on AMC and the overall earnings. As we also know, AMC is at that, at that level to where, it ain't too much more it can, even if it drops, usually for the earnings, it's going to pop 30% or drop 30%. Could be more, could be less. AMC sitting at that $6 range, dropping 30%, 6 to 8, about $2. That'll put it at $4 range. If it was at $4 range before, but, I see it, popping 30% more than likely than dropping 30%, especially factoring in it's a many different factors that comes into play with that, with all the times that it already supposed to run and haven't ran yet. This would just be something that instead of just letting it run by itself without any news or catalyst and letting FOMO and investors really think, oh, Moasis is here, let's hurry up and get on it, instead of letting them think that, let's just let it run, pop a little bit. Once it reports some good news, good earnings, good catalyst, we'll let it run a little bit and then drop it right back down. So be very cautious, guys. It's going to be choppy. That's why I be in and out. Like we know VIP, we got in, we got out, made our profit this morning. But if we would have held a little longer to the 840s or whatnot, would have made, that would have been like, instead of 2,000 profit, I'd have made like four grand, probably like $4 grand. Definitely probably like $4,000. But you already know, take what we can get and be smart, cut losses quickly, guys. And as we know, like I say, that's the best thing to do with that, because once you got house money and made money off of AMC, then you can let shares sit and just let it do what it do if you please. But with all the manipulation, all the fuckery, man, it's just it's just, you don't want to have too much emotions involved in something like that. And a lot of people put crazy amounts of bag on one investment, on one thing. Just coming to the market and trying, make millions of dollars in one lick and go away like it's just going to be that easy. Don't think nothing in life is that easy. Always really think into details. Like, if it was that easy, everybody would be doing it, right? So that lets you know how much more meticulous and careful and like a scaredy cat you have to be out here in this field. But if you want a gunsling, throw out all your money out there, do as you please. I'm just here to spread the message, let you guys know my mistakes, and try and help someone. So you already know what to do. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. Get in VIP. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you.